Google's Gemini is better than ChatGPT right now. And that's for 3 reasons. I'm going to show you those 3 things. I'm going to show you how to get the population information from Gemini. I'm going to show you how to transform it into a Google Sheet in a way that Gemini understands, and how to transform it into a visual that you like and that looks good. We're going to get into it. I'm going to show you these 3 things. First, we're going to go into how to gather population data from Gemini right now. So inside of Gemini, I'm going to go gather the top. Let's start with 10. Sometimes if you do top 50, it can take 10-15 minutes to gather the top 50, because it's a lot of information that it's gathering across the internet, and a lot of people are using Gemini at the time, so it's using a portion of its processing power. So I'm gonna go gather the top 10 cities and their populations. And here we are, we have top 10 populous cities in the world. Bam. Gemini also asks you questions. It asks me a question, do I want the top 10 most populous cities in a specific country, like the United States? And I'm just like, I'll say, yes, please. There we go, it's getting all the populations for that. And how about this? So it can gather information directly from the internet. And then it gives you sources. It says these figures are based on recent US Census Bureau estimates. Sometimes it has other sources, but that's generally the same source. Now I want to go, I want to put the population in one column and then the metro area population, so the population surrounding that specific city like New York. I want to put that population in column 2. Column 1, population 2, and the metro area population, column 3, please. I always like that please because just in case when the robots take over, they realize that I've always used please, and I've always been nice. Here it says sure, so this is part 2. Part 2 is create Google Sheets. It says sure, city, here's a city's population, metro area population, and I can export this to Sheets, and it says creating spreadsheet in the bottom left, and here we go, open in Sheets, and here we go, city population, metro area population, bam. That is it. Now, how do we create a graph? I'm going to ask Gemini, what's a good graph to make out of this information? What is a good graph to make? There we go. Metro area populations in major US cities. Cool. So it gives me all this. I can download this as an image. Let's see this image here. Oh, that's great. That is great. Download that as an image. Maybe I want to change the color. Change color to orange, please. There we go. There's the graph in orange. But maybe I want a scatter chart. And there's the scatter chart. Those are the top 3 ways that Gemini is better than ChatGPT. The top 3 ways that I have currently been using Gemini to advance my workflow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow.